How to create Fiverr account. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments. Let's get started right away. So I went ahead and downloaded the Fiverr app. And if you are on the browser, it might look quite similar. You just have to find the sign up button, but on the app, you just simply have to click on skip in the bottom left. This will bring you over to this page where you can actually sign up. So you can sign up with Apple, Facebook, Google, or just with your regular email. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to click on there. And here you will have to fill in your public username. So you can change your username. So choose wisely is what it says. So this is pretty much what your account will look like for others, or what your account's name is for others. Once you see the green check mark right over there, that means that your username is actually available. Once you see the green check mark on the right from your username, you can see that it is actually available. Then you want to fill in your email and password. Then you want to simply click on sign up. And there we go. We are now in our Fiverr account. Now you can go to the bottom right corner to view your profile. And you first have to activate your account, as you can see right over here. So if we click on that, it says just one more thing. We need to confirm your email. So check your email and click on the link to activate it. Now this is what the email will look like. So simply click on activate your account. And it says account successfully activated. Now I'm going to, oh, it already closed it for me. Now once you are here in your settings, you pretty much have a regular account. Now if you want to create a seller account, you want to scroll a little bit to the bottom where you can see become a seller. If you click on there, it says set up your seller profile on desktop to start selling. So if you click on learn how, this pretty much just tells you that you need to be on your actual PC in order to do this. And once you have done that, you can pretty much just use your regular account on here. So once you're here on your browser, you can actually click on your profile picture. Here we can see become a seller. So click on there. And here we want to click on become a seller again, or actually we have to select what we are. So a designer, developer, writer, video editor, marketer, voiceover artist, or musician, or just become a seller if you have something not in this niche. So if you click on there, this is how it will look like. Click on continue. So you should probably, read all of this, but I'm going to go over this pretty fast just to show you guys how it looks like. And then, so you have to set all of this up. So here you want to enter your full name, display name, profile picture, add a description, and then your language. So I filled all of this in pretty quickly, and then click on continue. Here it says your occupation. So select what you want. Here you can actually add your skills. So I'll just add, for example, video editing. So you have to enter your skills, for example, your level, education. This is actually optional. Certification is also optional. Personal website is also optional. But the ones pretty much with the red star are, you have to do those. And then here you can also enter your phone number or just finish. And now your seller profile is all set up. So this is already straight away how you can set up your first gig. I'm not going to go over that because that's for different videos. But yeah, that is how to create Fiverr account.